Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the machine learning, one of the most fascinating concept in AI. We will understand what it is, how it works, and most importantly, we will see how machine learns in a way that's surprisingly similar to how human learns. So, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables computer to learn and improve from the experience without being explicitly programmed for every single situation. So, instead of giving the computer fixed rules of everything, we let it analyze the data, identify the pattern, make prediction, and improve over the time. Let me explain this with a beautiful example of how child learns and how machine learns. Imagine a young child who has never seen a dog before. How do they learn what dog is? First, the parents show the child many pictures of dogs, maybe 50 different dog pictures. This is experience phase. As the child sees this picture, the brain starts noticing the pattern. They observe the dogs have four legs, a tail, they bark, they furry, they have certain facial features. This is pattern recognition happening in child's brain. Now, the child's brain stores these characteristics in memory. This is a memory formation. The brain is essentially creating a model of what a dog is. Now, when the child goes to the park and sees a new dog which they never seen before, something amazing happen. Their brain compares what they are seeing with the stored characteristics and child say that's a dog. And this is a classic example of how child is using learned knowledge in a new situation. And as the child sees more and more dogs of different breeds, size, and colors, they get better and better at recognizing dogs. This is improvement through experience. Now, let's see how machine learning works in the exact similar way. So instead of showing 50 pictures to machine, we feed 10,000 dog images to a computer. This is the training data, the machine's experience. Now algorithm doesn't see like we do. Instead, it analyzes the pixel data and identify the patterns in a shapes, colors, textures, features. This is machine's version to pattern recognition. As the algorithm processes these images, it adjusts internal mathematical parameter, essentially storing the what makes it image of a dog. This is model training, similar how child's brain stores the characteristics. Now, when you show a machine a new image it has never seen before, it analyzes it and says 95% probability this is a dog. This is a prediction, the machine applying what it learned. And just like the child, the more data the machine sees, the higher its accuracy become. This is optimization and improvement. The beautiful thing is we didn't program computer with rules like if it has a four legs and tail, it's a dog. The machine figure out the pattern on its own by learning from the example. Let me give you a real world example you use every day, like your YouTube recommendations. Think about your YouTube homepage. It's personalized just for you. So my YouTube homepage and your YouTube homepage would be completely different. Now let's say how this happened. So imagine you are watching 20 cooking videos and 5 different travel vlogs video. The machine learning system is observing your behavior. So this is a data collection. Now ML algorithm analyze this data and learns that you prefer cooking content and even notice especially you like Italian cuisine. So this is a pattern learning. Now the next phase is coming a prediction. So in prediction phase, system improves your recommendation by showing more Italian cooking channels. This is a prediction phase and it is predicting what you liked based on what it learned. And the final is continuous improvement. In this one, when you click on one of the recommendations, you are confirming the pattern and system even gets more smarter. So now what is the result? Your YouTube homepage becomes highly personalized to your interests. And here is the key. No programmer sat down, wrote a code. If user watches cooking video, show more cooking video. The system learned this automatically through machine learning. Let me give you one traditional programming example. So, in traditional programming for email, whether it is a spam or not, how programmer has written a rule: if email contains a free money, then mark it as a spam. If email contains click here, mark it as a spam. If sender is unknown, then mark it as a spam. So everything is rule based. Now, what is the problem? You can't possibly write rules for every variation of spam. Spammer constantly changes their tactics and your rule based system can't keep it up. With machine learning, you feed the system 10,000 emails labeled as spam or not spam. The system learns the pattern automatically. Maybe it learned that certain word combination, sender's pattern, or email structures indicate spam. Now, when new email arrives, it classifies them based on the learned pattern. And the best part, as the spammer changes the tactics, the system can be retrained with new example and automatically adapted. It learns and improves continuously. So this is the power of machine learning. It's flexible, adaptive, and gets better with more data and experience, just like human do. So this is all about machine learning, how machine learns from the experience. I'll see you in the next video where we will explore deep learning and discover how it mimics the human brain.